Parc Leitham oedd lleoliad rownd derfynol Cwpan Rhanbarth Cymru wrth i'r deiliad Rhanbarth De Cymru herio arfordir Gogledd Cymru, gyda'r enillydd yn mynd mlaen i gynrychioli Cymru yn rowndiau rhagbrofol Cwpan Rhanbarth UEFA mis Mehefin.
The goal is to put our red jersey on and to represent the country in Europe. You know, not many players get that opportunity. You know, some of them it's just once. One chance you got, so you've got to grab it with both hands.
Da ni wedi bod yn ffodus i ennill y gystadleuaeth yma ddwy waith yn y gorffennol. A chwaraewyr yna wedi mynd ymlaen wedyn i chwarae yn Ewrop i cynrychioli Cymru. Ac da ni'n gobeithio byn bach mwy o lwyddiant pnawn 'ma.
It's a one-off, it's a cup final. So we just go and play our game and see what happens.
Cyn cyffro rownd derfynol Cwpan Cymru, roedd na ddigon o gyffro yn y gêm hon, a De Cymru aeth ar y blaen yn dilyn gôl gan, da chi'n cofio hwn, Chris Colvin Owens o glwb Pen-y-Daran. Yr ymosodwr yn parhau a'i dymor gwych o flaen y gôl. Yna, y munudau ola'r hanner cyntaf, dyblwyd mantais De Cymru wrth i aelod arall o dîm Pen-y-Daran, Eisa Lloyd rwydo'n hyderus. Wedi degwyl parhau bwyso nath De Cymru, Chris Colvin Owens yn crafu paent y postyn fan hyn, a methu credu Ian Look yn amlwg. Daeth yn agos unwaith eto gyda gergyd o bellter, gan orfodi arbediad campus gan Josh Roberts rhwng y pyst. Ac roedd Roberts ar alw unwaith eto'n dilyn y gigrydd yma gan Josh Brogdon. Christopher Quick a'i sgiliau slic oedd nesaf i fygwth o flaen y gôl, ond y postyn unwaith eto'n rhwystro Rhanbarth y De. Dim goli yn yr ail hanner felly, ond bydd y goliaeth gyfforddus i'r De sy'n mynd mlaen i gynrychioli Cymru yn y gemau rhagbrofol Ewropeaidd. Llongyfarchiadau.
Oh, a really hard game, but we showed what we had really. But it's great for the boys. Loved it.
I thought, we edged the first half, to be honest. Played pretty well. Had a few little situations in and around the box which didn't quite fall for us, and then I think that second goal, I think it was literally 2 minutes before half time. I think that one's killed us really.
They were a good side, came at us a lot, but I think as the game got on, they got tired, and we should have scored 2 or 3 goals, I would say. You can't be too hard on the boys. The effort they put in to win this game has been tremendous.